Are you sick of buying tech that promises to change your life, only for it to end up collecting dust on a shelf? We've all been there. You see the slick ads, you hear the incredible promises, and you buy in. Then, nothing. Well, we've just spent weeks testing the 5 most hyped gadgets of 2025, and I'm talking about some wild stuff, like a robot vacuum with a literal robotic arm, and a ring that might know you better than you know yourself. Today we're cutting through the marketing noise to show you what's actually worth your money. 2025 has been a crazy year for tech, but the question is always the same. Does any of this stuff actually work in the real world? We've put these gadgets through the ringer in a real home with real messes and real problems. We're counting them down from 5 to 1 to find the absolute must-have tech of the year. Let's get into it. Kicking off our list at number 5 is something that might not look as flashy as a robot with an arm, but I promise, it's one of the smartest upgrades you can make this year. It's the Anker Nano Charger. We all know the dream. One charger to rule them all. So, does it deliver? Oh yeah, it works brilliantly. Thanks to GaN or gallium nitride technology, these new chargers are unbelievably small but have a serious punch. This latest 2025 model packs 130 watts of power into a hub that's barely thicker than a USB port. In our tests, we fast-charged a MacBook, a Galaxy S25 Ultra, and a pair of earbuds all at once, from this one little device. It's smart enough to send the most power to your laptop, while still giving your phone a quick boost. Ankers build quality and safety tech, like monitoring for overheating, just consistently puts them on top. The problem of the messy backpack, the tangled nest of cables by your bed, the desperate search for outlets at the airport, it's solved. Our verdict? This is an absolute no questions asked need. It's a simple gadget, but it makes your life easier in a way you'll notice every single day. Coming in hot at number 4 is a piece of tech that feels like it was ripped right out of a sci-fi movie. The XREAL One Pro AR glasses. For years we've been hearing that augmented reality is the next big thing, and 2025 is supposed to be the year it finally happens. Imagine having a massive, private, 180-inch movie screen on a plane, or multiple virtual monitors floating in your office without any actual displays. Putting on the XREAL One Pro for the first time is a genuine wow moment. The audio, tuned by Bose engineers, creates a personal sound bubble without totally shutting out the world, but it's not perfect. After about an hour you can start to feel them on your nose and ears. For travel, watching a movie was a total game changer. It was like having a private theater. For work, you can hook it up to your phone or laptop and create a giant private virtual display. So what's the verdict? This is an incredible piece of tech, and for the right person, it's a definite need. It's not quite ready to replace all your screens just yet, but this is the first time AR glasses have felt less like a gimmick and more like a powerful, useful accessory. Alright, before we get to our top 3, and I know you're waiting for that cleaning robot, I have to ask, which of these first 2 gadgets do you think is more useful? The everyday practicality of the charger or the futuristic vision of the AR glasses? Drop your answer in the comments below. At number 3 we have what might be the sneakiest, most invisible piece of tech on our list, the Samsung Galaxy Ring. Smartwatches are great, but they've got downsides. They can be bulky, the screens are distracting, and you have to charge them every single day. The Galaxy Ring promises to fix all that. It's a health and fitness tracker that packs all the important sensors, heart rate, sleep, skin temp, activity, into a sleek, tough titanium ring you can wear 24/7. The reality of wearing the Galaxy Ring is, in a word, liberating. It's so lightweight and comfortable you honestly forget you're wearing it. We found the sleep and heart rate tracking to be incredibly accurate, matching up almost perfectly with dedicated medical devices. And compared to its biggest competitor, the Oura Ring, it has one massive advantage. No mandatory monthly subscription to see all your own data. Our verdict, for a lot of people, this is an absolute need. Alright, here it is. Our number 2 gadget for 2025 is the one that sounds like pure science fiction. The Roborock Saros Z70, the robot vacuum with a robotic arm. The Saros Z70 claims to end that forever. It's being called the first truly autonomous cleaning robot for your home. As a standard vacuum and mop, this thing is top tier. It has a ridiculous 22,000 pascals of suction power, and its navigation is incredible thanks to its 3D sensors. The mopping system is one of the best we've ever seen. When it recognizes an object like a sock or a slipper, the little arm extends, grabs it, and moves it out of the way. But the list of things it can currently identify is pretty short, and it's a bit hit or miss. It worked maybe 60% of the time in our tests. So the verdict? This is the future is now need, but with an asterisk. If you're an early adopter who wants the absolute cutting edge of smart home tech, the Saros Z70 is an incredible machine that will blow your mind. The price is steep, but the feeling of watching a robot actually tidy up before it vacuums is priceless. At its core, this is one of the best robot vacuums you can buy, arm or no arm. And that brings us to our number one most essential gadget of 2025. It's the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The hype around a new flagship phone can feel a bit tired, but this year, it's different. The promise of the S25 Ultra isn't just a better camera or a faster chip. The real magic is the software. Samsung's Galaxy AI is the real deal. We used it to summarize long articles and meeting notes into bullet points, saving hours of work. The generative photo editing is mind-blowing. You can move people, erase objects, and expand the background of a photo with just a few taps. These aren't gimmicks. These are features that are so useful, you'll find yourself using them every single day. Yes, the hardware is stunning. A gorgeous 6.9-inch AMOLED display with razor-thin bezels, a tough titanium frame, and an incredible camera system. The verdict? This is the undisputed need of 2025. So there you have it. Our top 5 gadgets you absolutely need in 2025. From the simple brilliance of the Anker Nano Charger to the mind-bending AI of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, this year is all about tech that solves real problems. Which of these gadgets would make the biggest difference in your life? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.